Jeera, also known as cumin, is a staple in many kitchens around the world. This humble spice, derived from the seeds of the Cuminum cyminum plant, is not only valued for its distinctive flavor but also for its impressive array of health benefits. Jeera has been used in traditional medicine for centuries and is now gaining recognition for its potential to treat a variety of ailments, including insomnia, obesity, diabetes, anemia, and intestinal worms. Let's explore how this remarkable herb can contribute to better health and well-being. 1. Jeera for insomnia. Insomnia, or difficulty sleeping, is a common issue that can significantly impact one's quality of life. Jeera is known for its relaxing properties, which can help in improving sleep patterns. The spice contains melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Additionally, jeera's high magnesium content aids in soothing the nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, which are often underlying causes of insomnia. Consuming a warm cup of jeera tea before bed can be a natural and effective remedy to enhance sleep quality. 2. Jeera for obesity. Obesity is a growing concern globally, leading to numerous health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension. Jeera can aid in weight management through its ability to boost metabolism and improve digestion. The spice stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating better nutrient absorption and preventing the accumulation of fat. Moreover, jeera has a thermogenic effect, meaning it increases the body's heat production, which can help in burning more calories. Incorporating jeera into your daily diet can support weight loss efforts and promote a healthier body composition. 3. Jeera for diabetes. Diabetes management often involves maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Jeera can be a valuable ally in this regard due to its hypoglycemic properties. Studies have shown that jeera can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood glucose levels. The spice contains compounds like cuminaldehyde, which enhance insulin secretion and function. Regular consumption of jeera can help in regulating blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 4. Jeera for anemia. Anemia, characterized by a deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin, can lead to fatigue, weakness, and other health issues. Jeera is rich in iron, a vital mineral for the production of red blood cells. Including jeera in your diet can help boost iron levels and improve hemoglobin production, thereby alleviating symptoms of anemia. Additionally, jeera contains vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption, making it a potent natural remedy for combating anemia. 5. Jeera for intestinal worms. Intestinal worms are parasites that can cause various gastrointestinal problems, including abdominal pain, diarrhea, and malnutrition. Jeera possesses potent antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties that can help in eliminating these harmful organisms from the digestive tract. The thymol and phosphorus content in jeera creates an environment that is inhospitable for parasites, aiding in their expulsion from the body. Regular consumption of jeera, either in food or as a tea, can help maintain a healthy and parasite-free digestive system. Jeera is more than just a culinary spice, it's a natural remedy with a multitude of health benefits. From promoting better sleep to aiding in weight loss, managing diabetes, combating anemia, and expelling intestinal worms, jeera's therapeutic properties make it a valuable addition to any diet. Embrace the power of this versatile herb and unlock its potential to enhance your health and well-being naturally.